Hi guys. So by the time you see this, I don't know, it might take me a month to get to this video because I got behind again. Story of my life. I got sick and had a bunch of flare-ups because I got sick. I literally, like, almost 3 weeks. I couldn't do much of anything. So I got behind again. So if you look at some of my previous videos where I've talked about that, I have chronic pain, fibromyalgia, and when I get sick, it's horrible. I don't even want to look at a cell phone. I don't want to do any of that, anything. So I haven't done a food bank haul in a while. So you can see now, it's a good day for me, at least so far today. I try not to take any day for granted anymore, or any minute. So I had a really good food bank haul today, and I want to show you what I got. I started putting stuff away already. So the first thing is I got a whole roast for the dogs because I supplement their food with meat from the food bank. And so this is the milk that they tend to give away, which is good. And then there's all of this. Let's see if I can get this up in a chair. It's always a struggle. Get this up off the floor because I can't be bending down. It's heavy. It's heavy. So, got gluten-free bread, which I haven't gotten out. Gluten-free multi-grain. Brown rice, sorghum flour, millet. This is pretty good. Not hydrogenated palm oil. Yeah, I don't know. It's shelf stable, so it says best if used by 12/7. I'll have to check it, make sure it didn't mold. So I guess I'll use that up for I like to make burgers. And I just ran out of buns, so this is perfect. So then I got potatoes, and I could have gotten 6 potatoes, but because I don't go through them that fast, I only had them just give me 3. I'm still trying to work through some that I already have. I have oranges, which, let's move some of this stuff out of the way. So I got oranges, and I'm sure you're seeing the carrots, raisins, apples, the carrots. I got 1 soda, water, the sparkling water thing, and some lentils, and of course my oatmeal, and look at a melon. It's odd to have that this time of year, but it must be imported. So that is what I got the food bank today. All of that, just one trip to the food bank. Not bad. Yeah, and then the milk and the meat. So, excellent. So there's my food bank haul. It is December, as of this recording, it is December 17th. I have been going to the food bank when I can. I kind of slacked off while I was sick, of course, but doing pretty good still at the food bank. And my new thing is I'm going to be frugal even with the food bank. So I'm not going to take any canned stuff or junk stuff. If you watched my previous video where I showed how I make my new stir fries, my updated way of cooking, my healthy meals, and mostly free, I mentioned that I'm on a new, I'm getting on a new journey with my health. I'm going to get much stricter. I am being much stricter with what I'm going to put in my body. So no more canned stuff. I'm going to work through the stuff I have here and there. And a lot of it I have to rotate out, and some of it's getting quite outdated. So I'll be throwing some away. I'll be redonating some and giving it away to friends and family that might want it. Otherwise, I'll keep some for emergencies, but I'm not going to collect anymore. I have enough stocked up that, at least for a while, that I don't need to get the canned or the extra dry goods. I have plenty of dry beans except the lentils. I've been running low on lentils, so I wanted the lentils. And I'm going to show you, keep an eye out, because I'm going to show you my new breakfast routine, because I learned that you can put lentils in your oatmeal and carrots. And I never thought of that, but I'm doing it now, and it's good. So stay tuned to see my next oatmeal breakfast extravaganza. It's a bowl full of delicious, healthy goodness and no oil. So I'm cutting way back on my oil, which is what I mentioned. So I'm going to eat more fruits and vegetables than I already do. And the nice thing I learned is you can eat larger meals. If all you eat is fruits and vegetables, you can eat more food. So think about it that way. Yeah. I also have changed a few other things that are both frugal and I had my toque on, and it always kind of flattens out my hair. So my new thing is, I don't know what you think of my hair, but I gave myself a haircut. My hair was way down here, past my things here. And I cut it to here. Actually, I cut it to here, but because I cut it, it got its curly bounce back. Because when it gets too long, it starts to get heavier. And it doesn't curl up as much. So I cut my own hair. So I followed a YouTube hairdresser that shows how to do it yourself. Turned out great, I think. Turned out pretty good. But I'm going to quit using hair gels and hair products. What I have in my hair now is castor oil. So I learned that castor oil can be used like a hair gel, and it continues to moisturize your hair while it just sits in your hair. So when I get out of the shower, I do a light application of castor oil, brush it through my hair, and then and then I can just it stays nice. I notice it doesn't dry out and get all super frizzy. So it gets a little bit, the little flyaways, but not super frizzy. So that's another frugal thing I'm doing, is I'm changing what I put on my body and in my hair, trying to use more natural products, organic, single ingredient things. And I'll be doing a video about making toothpaste also. And rice syrup. So I have a rice syrup coming and a toothpaste and my own mayonnaise, which I guess I don't need to make for a while because I'm cutting way back and I still have quite a bit of mayonnaise left. So, and yeah, so stay tuned for all those videos. Hit the notification and it'll tell you when I put out another video. And please like and subscribe if you want to help out a poor girl with a small channel.